Imagine Margareta Magnusson sitting in her cozy Swedish home surrounded by decades of belongings, from dusty photo albums to forgotten scarves. After losing her husband, she faces a mountain of stuff, but instead of dread, there's a spark of clarity. What if clearing out your things wasn't just about tidying, but a gift to those you love, freeing them from chaos after you're gone? That idea? It's called Swedish death cleaning, and it's way gentler than you think. Let's drop the panic about decluttering. It's not a mad dash to throw things away. It's an intimate journey with your memories, secrets, and stories. After Magnusson's husband passed away, she found herself staring at his favorite armchair. It wasn't just a piece of furniture. It was a vault of memories. Instead of stuffing it into a corner or tossing it out, she thoughtfully considered what it meant to her and her family. That moment sparked her discovery that death cleaning isn't about rushing, it's about respectful reflection. Think of death cleaning as tending a garden. You don't uproot wildflowers all at once. You trim, nourish, and selectively harvest blooms so the garden thrives without becoming a jungle. Similarly, you prune belongings based on what still serves life and legacy, making space for peace rather than clutter. Letting go felt like freeing a weight Magnusson hadn't realized she carried. As she passed on meaningful items, she found joy, not loss. The act became an uplifting gift to herself and her loved ones, an unexpected kind of liberation in the face of death. Now some things aren't just objects, they're vaults of secrets and emotional landmines. That box of letters or faded photos, they need a strategy, not a shove into a closet. Magnusson found a dusty box of her mother's old letters, some funny, some painful, some never meant for anyone's eyes but hers. Instead of slamming the box shut, she took time to decide which stories deserved sharing and which should quietly stay in the past. This gentle choosing transformed a burden into a curated legacy. Think about secrets like chapters in a book. Some belong in the final version, some only in your mind. Swedish death cleaning teaches you how to edit your life story by deciding what parts your loved ones should carry forward, and what's better revisited privately or just released. By thoughtfully selecting what stays, Margareta avoided the nightmare of heirs fighting over heirlooms and hidden meanings. Her clear, calm curation meant her family focused on shared memories, not battles over stuff. It reminded everyone that what really lasts is love, not things. You might expect death cleaning to be grim or overwhelming. Margareta flips this on its head. She finds humor, lightness, even joy in the process. There's a story Margareta shares about a bizarre ceramic rooster she kept for years simply because it made her laugh. When she finally gifted it to a neighbor who genuinely adored kitschy decor, the moment sparked laughter and connection, proving that death cleaning can be full of fun surprises. Death cleaning is more than tidying, it's artful gifting. Margareta sends clothes, books, and keepsakes ahead, not in a somber way, but as little love notes. This practice not only lightens her load, but deepens relationships, letting her experience giving while she's still here to enjoy it. Most surprising is how death cleaning reconnects you with living. Instead of sinking into melancholy, Margareta reminds us that sorting through life's stuff is a celebration, an act that honors your past while clearing space for what's next, encouraging you to live fully and with intention right now. Remember Margareta in her quiet Swedish home, holding that armchair, turning memories into a gentle gift to her family. Swedish death cleaning isn't about loss, it's about kindness, connection, and surprising freedom. Next time you face your stuff, try this. Pick one drawer or box, imagine the story it tells, and ask yourself who else should hear it. That simple act starts the honest, gentle art of clearing. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.